As always, wonderful and beautiful, glorious day it is. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the day the Lord has made. Let us all rejoice and be glad in it. Absolutely. It is a super Saturday. All right. It is August 10th, 2024. Absolutely. This is your weekly trade watch list. What I'm going to do is always start on gold, which is your boy favorite pair. And like I said, it's YT on YT. Yours truly on YouTube. I'm gonna go ahead and just erase everything. Gonna go, all the markers gonna go and have a clean slate. All right, and mark this thing up from the monthly. Okay. So what we see right here is a breaker structure. Okay. My people on IG, YouTube link is in the bio. You're able to comment on the live video, and I'll be able to see the comments and answer the comments. All right, I'll answer the comments verbally versus typing them in. All right, so this right here is a monthly breaker structure. Cool. What we see is a distribution, redistribution, accumulation, divergence, change of character. Is the reaccumulation, pops up, break structure, right? And so this right here also is a breaker structure right here. All right, also a breaker structure. All right. So because the market accumulated, reaccumulated, broke structure, created a high. So now we need to take this area right here into consideration. We need to take this area right here into consideration that the market can possibly accumulate off of this level in the future. Okay. So we're going to make this a monthly demand zone. Keeping it simple. Why? Because it's a reaccumulation. You can see this triangle. You can see it even more revealing on the weekly. This is a triangle. See how price is this, boom, triangle, right? Cool. Accumulation, reaccumulation, broke structure, bam. Now we're looking at a possible distribution. So if we go to the daily time frame, we'll be able to see the Wyckoff distribution cycle that I posted repeatedly on my channel. So how do I know that this eventually is going to sell on gold long term? Because there's a number of underlying factors. You got to understand how a market prints. Okay, you got to understand how the market price cycle prints. Okay, it prints in accumulation. The market expands up, goes bullish. Reaccumulation, the market expands up, goes bullish again. Then it enters a distribution phase. Prices hit a premium, distributing, go down after the distribution cycle, then a redistribution, and then goes down again. Then it prints all the four market price cycles in order again. Okay, so you can see how this is accumulation from here. This is that reaccumulation, that bullish triangle, and then you see the expansion of the distribution. You see one expansion, reaccumulation, second expansion. Now you look for the distribution, right? And I can see how this is a distribution. I've been studying this for well over 2 years. So right here is going to be your preliminary supply. It's going to be your PSY, preliminary supply. All right. Right here is going to be your buying climax. Here's the automatic reaction. Secondary test. Minor sign of weakness. Okay, this will be the upthrust. All right, this is a breaker structure, accumulation, reaccumulation, bam, break structure. It's a distribution, There's the redistribution right here with that. Respect to the demand zone. Here's the accumulation, reaccumulation, distribution, redistribution. Bam, respect to demand zone, accumulation, reaccumulation, break structure, creates another high, right? So now, boom, this would be the U tag. And then you see how the market came down into this reaccumulation. The bulls pushed it back up, but it could not do what? It could not create a new high. So it respected this supply zone right here, which this is called the test. Okay? All the elements and phases of the Wyckoff distribution type 1 schematic. Okay? Preliminary supply, push down, buying climax, automatic reaction, secondary test minus on the weakness. This is a breaker structure right here for the upthrust. And breaker structure. Breaker structure. Boom, came down to the demand zone. Cool. Mitigated that supply zone. Seller pushed it back down. Could not create a lower low. Buyers bought it back, prevented the lower low from being performed, and went back and went bullish. So accumulated, reaccumulated, broke this high, eventually broke this one, came up and eventually broke that high. So now this is a BOS right here. Okay, there's a BOS. Now price came pretty high. Respect this reaccumulation. Boom, went back bullish. This low did not go up, break this high, and create a new high above this U tag, which is an upwards after distribution. So now, boom, created a possible lower high. This lower high has not done its primary purpose and created a lower low. That's its primary job. Primary job of a lower high is supposed to break structure below and create a new low. Right now, it just respected their reaccumulation internally right here. So let's go to H4. See how it's being respected, or you can see that wick broke past this reaccumulation. So now when the market is pulling back up, we're looking more for sales. We're looking more for sales, obviously long term too, according to the daily, because this is a Wyckoff distribution schematic. Also because this is slanting upward like this, and on the purple line on the RSI, I guarantee you it's slanting downward like this. Double click, look at what we have. Boom. You can see it. So I can't drag it to it, so I gotta put a different window. You can see how price is doing what? Diverging. Showing that bearish divergence. Showing that the sellers are eventually going to take over this market. So all signs point towards sellers taking over long term. Okay. Market price cycle being a distribution. This higher low, not breaking structure up above and creating a higher high, right? Stopping at the supply zone. This lower high has yet to come down here, break structure, and create a new low, but that's okay. So now we look at the 4 hour, right? What we want to do is zone off our divergences and changes of character, okay? Which would be our supply and demand zones, okay? So you can see how this is slanting upward, right? You can't really identify it on H4, but on H1 you can definitely see that divergence and change of character. You see this right here, price slanting upward, price slanting lower, midpoint, change of character area, right? So what you want to do is this, okay? I know that every divergence and change of character is automatically a point of interest where the buyers and sellers can come into the market, right? So it seems to me that this particular divergence and changing character of price has already been mitigated. So 1 hour break structure below, and then you can see how price created a low, came back up, did the supply zone, right? Created a lower high, and went down, broke structure, and did what? create a new low. So this will be a change of character. Okay, this is supposed to be a break of structure. All right. So now what I'm looking forward towards is, okay, I can see this imbalance in between here. You can see it. So you can see also how this is a distribution, redistribution that led to a break of structure below. You can see how the market has penetrated too deep for this redistribution. You can see how the market has penetrated too deep for the redistribution. So my mindset and my mentality is it's a fair value gap on the M30 right here. On the 1 hour, you got an imbalance. So my idea would be something like this, because this is the last unmitigated supply zone. You see this doji candle, it mitigated. You can see how it aligned with that wick, aligned with this bearish wick, which means that shows price efficiency. It has been mitigated, it is balanced, and then it went down and did what? Distributed, redistributed, broke structure, created this what? New low right here. So now you're internally bullish. You're internally bullish to get back to the supply zone to then do what? Sell off. Because you know we are long-term selling. So what I want to do is simply create a alert to alert myself and to let the market tell me when it is going to hit this area. So we have first of all, we have to turn it into a 1 hour alert. Then we say, hey, we got an alert and say H1 supply zone. Boom, create. Now we got the little clock right there. Once price hits 24.4538, it'll alert me and let me know, hey, supply zone has been mitigated. Now we're just gonna sit there comfortably, wait on our confirmation for the market to sell. But yeah, this is absolutely internally bullish. You can see how market created a low, created a high, came back, created a higher low, diverged, changed character. This low led to this high, came back to this low, respected the demand zone, and did what? Accumulated, reaccumulated, broke structure, created a high. Broke this structure and ultimately led to the DLS. I'm telling y'all, divergences, man. Divergences is where it's at. Divergences. Any questions, problems, or concerns? Nobody? No visitors? Cool. We're continuing. So let's go look at Bitcoin. Now that this period is done, I'm interested in sales right here on the supply zone, H1 supply zone of gold. When the market opens back up tomorrow. Okay, not necessarily I'm looking to trade tomorrow, but whenever it hits and mitigates right here, come to the screen. I'm waiting on a confirmation to be able to sell long term and then go down here and break this low. My anticipation. Excuse me, let's go look at Bitcoin. Coinbase version. All right, cool. Let me see what's going on. I could have been this trade. That was a long time. That's all good though. Just get that 1 to 7. So let me erase this. Go to a higher time frame and see what it needs first. Price back right here. That's a divergence, change of character. Okay, so we got a divergence, change of character on the daily. Right here is the change of character. All right. is character below. It means we have an automatic supply zone. H4. We can use. I may go ahead and put it on the. I may go ahead and put it on the. 4 out the H4. Structure, high, tapped in, structure, divergence, change the character, boom, there's the decision. So, let me see. I wouldn't like this redistribution, even though it is an opportunity for the sellers to join in the market. I'm just saying I wouldn't like it personally when it looks as a potential entry. Like this right here. That's wild to me. So, still gonna mark it off. So we got this supply zone right here that can be POI for the market to use on um, Bitcoin, and then you got this one obviously up here that the market can use. So we just sit back and chill and see which one I'm going to respect. So that's all I can really do. Yep. Right here, we have a breaker structure right here. Price equaled out right here. POS didn't come back into the demand zone. Stayed up. Tapped into here. Small M inducement. Boom. Rather up went bullish. Breaker structure right here. So my anticipation on a lower time frame, I would trade gold. I mean not gold. Bitcoin right now would be a go bullish. Fortunately, you gotta read the details. Oh, yeah, you gotta read the details in the lower time frame. Yeah, this is something I'd be interested in long term. Is this area right here. Trying to mark up first. Blue. So Bitcoin H4 supply zone. Alright, boom. That's all I can do. That's all I can do. And so this would be a VOS. Be a reconstruction. Let me see. Trying to really mark it on the mark on the table. Alright, cool. Yeah. So let's look at this. Figure it out. Yeah, let's have it up in the 4. Excuse me. Let's see. Let's see if I mark this out right. Maybe. This is smaller. You're gonna get it right where it's at. Yeah. Some imbalance right there. You're right where it's at. Don't knock it. We still got the zone at the top that price may push through it and then come to this. And then so oh shoot. Long day. All right, I believe I got one more to go over. Let's see, USDK. I know I didn't trade all week, but let's see what's up here. Oh, wow, okay, that's what's up. So, we do infrastructure, price was high, some growth structure, came back up here. So, yeah, it makes sense. Then let's go to the weekly. Oh, goodness. All right, nice weekly candle came out. Let's see. As it really is. Alright. So this was a harmonic pattern, inducement of the buyers, with the sale, negative advantage line, the bullish, accumulation, the trend line liquidity, the accumulation, line for distribution part of it. Because inside of here, you have this being market structure. Right here, this being on the daily, this excuse me. So, daily, right, that's pretty much it. I see this detail. Excuse me. Let's see. Oh, excuse me. Let me see. There's a lot of verbiage right there. Change of character. We're going 4 hours. Version. There's a change of character right here. Alright, so H4, change of character. Alright, so now we get to see if price is going to consolidate, which is redistribute, and then continue to push down, or is it going to pull back and then probably give us a selling opportunity? We don't know until the market opens up. We don't know until the market opens up. Excuse me. Ah, that is all I can really do on this particular pair. I think it's gonna melt though. It's gonna melt. Oh, goodness. Let me see. So we got this imbalance on the 4 hourly. So I can do this. I can zone this out like this. Not like that. This is kind of like you said. Right. Right. Alright, I believe it's the as we can. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and place it. Who's on the way? Right here. H4 supply zone. There we go. H4 supply zone. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. All I gotta do is be patient. That's all I can do. I can do anything and everything. But we're gonna simply call it a night. Let me see. Let me go look it up. Let me look it up. Ooh, nice. Look at this. Divergence, change of character. Without even looking at the RSI, I can see this divergence and change of character right here. That's when you start developing that trader's eye. Price periods are low, distribution, redistribution, accumulation. Right off of this, accumulation, reaccumulation. I don't know if it's going to break structure yet, but what we need to do is go ahead and put this supply zone right around here, right? To say because the market may not want to complete that high. It may not want to push up below that high. Yeah, that's the divergence. Look at it. Yeah, this is slanting upward, and then this is really legit slanting lower. And developing that trader's eye. The midpoint right there, the last upward move that broke structure, bam, it failed, boom. You call that change of character. And all of this. Alright. So now you got bam, imbalance, divergence, change of character. Okay, pricing come back and hit this demand on the cause change of character, reaccumulation, boom. Now you look for a sale. So look, you can see how price slanted lower like this. Boom. Slanted up on RSI. Boom. Midpoint change of character rate. Okay. So let's see, we want to place it on the 15. That version is more revealing on the 15. There's a whole divergence. Change of character. How's it doing on H1? Alright. Change of character. Alright. So now you got this divergence. Okay. I do for this sale. I don't want to be honest with you, it's happened yet. Because I don't have a divergence to change the character, so 15. Is an opportunity for the sellers to come into the market. All right. Over. Oh, snap. Let's see. All right. Stretching. Obviously, this is divergent. Change trajectory inside. Lower time frame. You see it. Fractional lower. Fractional upward viewpoint. This is the change of care area. 5. Boom. Change of care area. Alright. So now we need to see. Okay. Price going up. Tap in. Structure. Tap back in right here. In one. So tap back in right here. Make sure you start pushing on going back there. Alright. Makes sense to me. I mean, I'm trading percent makes sense. Right, but that is going to do it all today for the market up. I appreciate each and every one of you. And take time out of the busy schedule and listen to what I have to say. It's always greatly appreciated. I will never ever take it for granted. Have a safe, blessed, productive rest of your super Saturday. Know that I love you. And as I always like to say, God created us on purpose to fulfill a purpose. And don't be one of many, be the one. Don't be one of many, be the one. Enjoy the rest of your day and your weekend. And I'll see you all on the next live. God knows me. All right. Love. Take care.